Hi everybody, my name's Lily and these are my little assistants. This is my cake.
Hello, cake.
Hello. And this is my Sunday.
Hello, Sunday.
Hello.
Okay.
Let's have, and this is the February Kids snack box. Let's have a look.
Alright, what have we got? Is it lots? Let me see.
My gosh.
Goodness. Wow, let's have a look at the stuff in there.
So this is
Yum.
the
Chickpeas.
These are called the chickpeas, and what's my favorite color?
You have them in your lunch. They're good.
Yep, I always have them in my lunch. They're so delicious.
What else have we got?
And this
Ooh, turn it around. Let's have a look. What's that one?
And that's what the front cover obviously looks like.
Oh, Go Bites. Popcorn Go Bites. Oh, they look good.
Popcorn.
Yeah, Go Bites.
Go Bites.
What does your Sunday think of that? Delicious.
That looks so yum. I want to eat it now. Yeah, but I can't because Daddy's doing a video.
Alright, what else have we got? What else have we got?
And
Oh, what's that big packet?
I don't know.
Let's look at it. What does it say?
And that's what it says.
Oh, hold that one still. Coconut bites. Yum.
I love coconut bites and it's delicious. Yum.
So good in your lunch.
And pretty much I have to leave that there.
Put them down there. Line them all up. Okay, what else have we got? Is there still heaps in there?
Yep.
Cool. What else?
See when I lift up, what is it?
I don't know. What is it?
Well,
Oh, wow. Smells good.
Oh.
Yum. Turn it around. Let us have a look. Show everyone. It is banana and mango. Yum.
It's banana and mango.
Cool. Okay, next one. Move these ones over there.
And that's a super giant packet.
Super giant packet yogurt bubbles. You've had these in your lunch.
I love yogurt bubbles.
So good.
Wait, what? Doesn't
Even
have...
your sister loves these ones, doesn't she? What do they think?
I love the things. I want to eat them, but I can't. I hate them. I want to eat them, but I can't.
Alright, what else have we got?
And pretty much I'm going. Wait,
Oh, look at that.
That's a
Wow.
super duper.
Well, you know what? It's called, hold it still, let's see, it's called Super Berry. That's why it's super duper. Yum. Do you like berries?
Yeah, I love berries.
That's berries.
I love berries.
Super berry bites. Let me have a look.
I will
Look
send
at
that
that
to
one.
my
So that's
mum.
an energy ball. Natural energy ball with berries, seeds, and coconut.
I love coconut.
Yeah, we know. Yum. Alright, what else have we got?
And there's a weird packet
Ooh. Let's have a look
that
at
has a dinosaur on it.
it.
It's half. It's dinosaur head
Yum.
and the rest is a person body.
Ooh, let's have a look. That sounds like a fun
And that's
thing.
what that dinosaur
Oh, it's a
human looks
super
like.
bite.
And that's what that. That's what that
It's another
dinosaur.
super.
And that's what that dinosaur thing looks like.
Yeah.
It's
That
so
look-
weird.
That's delicious.
And it's called.
Beautiful. Super bite.
Put them there. Put that there.
Put that one there. Okay. Put that one there. Okay.
That's
Alright. What else? Pick another one.
Out comes a new one.
Ooh.
Ow, meow. Okay.
Oh, that one's good. That one is Ari Bar. You
Wait.
had that one
Ow.
last week. What did you think of that one? That one.
I love it.
That was a good one, wasn't it? You shared that one with your sister.
I love this. We share.
Yeah, you shared that with your sister the other week.
Yeah, I
Yum.
shared that with my sister last week.
Okay. What else have we got?
Ew, no. She's this little one was gonna fall off the edge.
Oh, okay.
Ow, ow, she just did.
did. She crashed. All right.
I'm okay.
Stay up there, assistants. Alright, what have we
I'm
got?
gonna get one of my assistants to help me.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
And drum roll, what's next? Oh! Emma and Tom's Life Bar.
And as you can see, you cannot see the sundae out of the top now.
Cacao. It's cacao and coconut.
It says cacao and coconut.
Delish.
Cacao and coconut.
This one you usually have
Yeah.
in little sections though. We cut that up. You don't have a whole one of those.
No.
They're a bit big for you.
And there are
We
two
do that over
more
a few days, don't we? 2 more left, okay.
1,
4.
2, 3.
Show us. What is it?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, we can't see. We missed it.
I'm going to get my other assistant. Boing. Sorry, Sunday. Ow! Boing. Dun, dun. Hey. I'm gonna be fish.
Oh, you're really keeping us in suspense in those last 2 things.
And here it comes. Boing, boing. And this is what it looks like.
Oh, yes. That
I think
one.
it's okay, well,
No, that one's a Coranda bar. Yum. That one's a good one. You've had that one too
yeah, I
the other
love
week.
Coranda bars.
Yeah, Coranda bars are good. Okay, is this our last one? Okay, drum roll for our last one.
Cake, I need your help. Coming. Boing, boing. This is a really, really big packet. Super big. Bye bye. On the count of 3, we each lift an end. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Lifting. Oh, veggie chips. Look at that. Those all crunchy veggies. Yum. What veggies can you see in there?
So there's.
Does that look like carrot?
There's carrot.
Cool, yum.
So there's carrot.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Like, there's
Alright.
carrots.
Line them up with the others.
And that's what the fully packet looks like.
Yum. Alright, pop them down. Where are they going to go there?
They're the exact same size.
Oh, they are. Huh.
I'm going to put them there because they're the
Great.
exact same size. And there's the rest of these ones.
Oh, so there's... oh, you're right. So there's extras.
Yep, there's
More. Line them all up. Line them all up. Awesome.
And then we're going to party to do. Bye-bye. No. Drum roll, Mom. Drum roll. Seriously.
Drum roll, drum roll. Party. Alright, you go get dressed for the party.
Bye-bye, everybody. See ya.
Bye.